갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome, guys. So feel free to subscribe, join the family, and to my old subscribers, I love you all, guys. So we're going to be talking about AHA Serum, guys. Okay, we're going to be talking about Mimi White AHA Serum. But before then, if you want to join my online training class, guys, we are open for it. Okay, we are open for it. You can join, you can register. So just go to the description box. My WhatsApp contact is there. If you want to join, you can write me up on my WhatsApp contacts, and you register and you also join. You're doing the 50% discount. We're in the month of Ember. Okay, so you're doing 50% discount now. And if you want to buy my product, if you're in Europe, US, Canada, anywhere, you can buy my products. You can contact me directly and order from me, or you can buy from my eBay shop. That's it, guys. And for those in Nigeria, I'm sorry, I'm not shipping yet to Nigeria. Okay, if I start shipping, then I'll just make the announcement. So let's start the video of today. So guys, we're going to be talking about AHA Serum and the different type of AHA Serum, and also the fake AHA Serum. So guys, this is the Mimi White AHA Serum. So this serum is great. I don't know if you guys must have watched this review from other YouTubers also. This serum is great. It's the bomb. Like when it comes to hyperpigmentation, lightening, discoloration, any type, this thing just serve as all way round. Dark spots, this is there. Pigmentation, this is there. Discoloration, this is also there. Okay, so this is AHA Serum. It is really great, and this is made from China. So I'm going to tell you how you're going to use them, but before then, I'm going to show you the different types of AHA Serum, and I'm also going to tell you to watch out. There's fake one though. There's fake AHA Serum. Okay, don't go and destroy your skin. So I'm also going to let you know the one that is also fake and the one that is also original. Okay, guys, so this is the other one. This is the other AHA Serum. This one is the one this one did not come with carton. Like this one has carton in it, this one no carton. Okay, it's the same. You can buy the one without carton, and you can also buy the one with carton. Okay, so there's a little bit different. Not that is not, they are not original, they are original. There's a little bit different. Okay, this one is thick, very thick. This one that did not come with carton, this one is very thick, and this one is not thick. So I'm going to open it for you. Okay, yes, so this is it. This one is shaking. You can hear the sound. You know, if you're shaking anything like liquid now, you can hear the sound. This one is not thick. This one is in the carton, is not thick. Why this one is not inside the carton? And this one, if you're shaking, no sound, nothing like sound. So this one is just like, how will I put it? What does it look like? I don't know. Like glycerin is even not thick. So this one is really thick. So even if you're shaking it, nothing like sound. Okay, so because this one is not thick, because this one is very thick, and this one is not thick, does not mean that this one is the fake. No, I'm going to tell you how you're going to know the fake. This one is also the original one, just that this one is the less thick one, while the other one is the thick one. Okay, so what does this product do for you? I'm going to read it out. Mimi White will help to clear pigmentation, and Mimi White will help to clear spots. If you're having spots, if you're having skin coloration, and if you also want to lighten up your skin. So when I mean lighten up your skin, not your full body, of course, you know how many Mimi White you're going to use. I don't think this thing is even up to 50 ml. How many Mimi White you're going to use to lighten up your skin? So it's best to use on the face, it's best to use on the knee, it's best to use on the, like, your hands, your feet, any place that you know, this place is really really dark and you want to lighten it up. Your face is dark, you want to lighten it up, you have spots on your face, you want to lighten it up, you have pigmentation that you want to clear. Okay, so those parts you can actually use Mimi White serum. And how to use Mimi White serum: so you apply all over your body at night. Focus on the dark spots such as the neck, okay? Such as the neck, elbow, neck, elbows, grain, or mix with your cream and lotion. Okay, guys, so they said you can apply it all over your body, like directly all over your body, but how many can you apply? This is really really small. Or you mix it inside your lotion. So let's just say you have a 500 ml of lotion. That means you're going to mix up to 10, because this one is a very small bottle. Okay, so you can apply it directly on your elbows, black elbows, like on your knees if you have dark knees. If you also have dark feet, you can apply it. So I'm going to tell you how I normally use this. I only use this on the face. Okay, I only use this on the face. Like, I can mix this with my face cream. If I notice that my face is becoming a little bit dull, not dark. Okay, if my face is becoming a little bit dull, so I will apply this with my face cream and I apply it on my face. So it's really really great for face because of that smoothness. You know, if you start having some spots, you know, sometimes when you have pimples and that pimples is finished, you start having spots there. Now you have to start fighting on how to clear out spots. That is one thing about light skin. So I always use it each time I have spots, pimples, and okay, I managed to clear up the pimples and you now see that black spot or sometimes reddish spot. So I start mixing this one with my face cream and I apply it on my face. So but they say you can apply it directly, which I've not done. You see that directly of a thing, I'm always scared, but you can try it anyway. Okay, that's applying directly, I'm always scared. I can apply this directly on my shoulder, on my feet, anywhere, no problem. I will not be scared. So even if you want to burn my knee, I know that place nobody is really seeing it, but my face, now face be woman market now, you know. Before somebody will see your knee, they will first of all see your face. So if you want to lighten up your face cream, like you're using a face cream that is not lighting up your face, or maybe there are some people that their neck is really really dark. If you're having a dark neck, yes, dark neck especially, so at night you can apply this on your neck, rub it on your neck, so you can get the one that is really really thick, so that it will not be running on your skin. Okay, it will just dissolve, like your skin is going to soak it. But this one inside the carton is running, is not that thick as this one. Okay, now the fake one. How do you know the fake one? The fake one also come in a carton form, and the fake one also come in this kind of form. It will be thick, but the color is different. Okay, we have the fake one in this kind of form, the same bottle, the same write-up, but the color is different. Okay, that is just it. If you go to the market, you know the color is kind of, oh, it's not that sharp as this one. The color is not that sharp as this one. This one is really really sharp, so I don't know if this camera is really doing the job well. Don't know if the camera is doing the job well. This thing is really really sharp. This color is really really sharp. Okay, so for the fake one is not that sharp as this one. And the fake one of this one, the liquid inside, let me open it, is pure water. Okay, this same color but totally water, totally water, totally water, totally water. And where you can mostly get a fake one is trade fair. I bought the fake one in trade fair, of course. I bought the fake one in trade fair. So this one, totally, the fake one, it comes inside the same carton as this, but it is totally water. This one is a little bit thick, but not thick as this, but that one is totally water. Okay, so that one is the fake one. total fake one. If you buy that one, if you can return it, just return it, okay? If you cannot return it, then throw it away, because even if it may not even spoil your skin, but it will not work. Okay, what you needed it for is not going to work. That is the fake one. So these two are the original one, the one inside the carton that is a little bit thick, and the one that is not inside the carton that is thick and the color is sharp. The yellowish color is really, really sharp, like, you know, starch. Now when you turn starch, you know the color of starch. Yeah, that is it. So should I say starch is red? I don't know, kind of yellowish. So just as the color of starch. So I don't know if this camera is really doing the job well. So that is the original one. So I'm going to try to show you the fake one day, okay? Because I bought the fake one from the thick one also. I bought the fake one from the light one also, but I just ended up throwing them away. So if you go to a trade fair market, there's a lot of fake. So before you start getting good product, like before you now get a standby customer that you want to be buying products for, I swear you are going to waste millions buying fake products. You are going to waste millions buying fake products, okay? So if you can deal with the company directly, it is better. Like, you are dealing with the company directly, wow, it's better. You buy cheap. That is if you're selling. Oh yes, if you're selling, it's better you deal with the company directly. But buying from hand to hand, because those ones you're going to buy from hand to hand, you don't know how they got it. Even they may not even know if it is fake, because they also bought it. Do you get it? So they may not even know if it is fake. So by the time you buy it and you complain to them, this is fake, oh, this is fake, they will tell you, they don't know the one that is fake, oh. So it is better that you're dealing with a company directly. So you want to buy product, and this is a hassle. It's made in China. This product is made in China, and they also have their company trademark here. They also have their phone number here. So you just buy directly from the company. Just that if you're dealing with a company, you have to be buying a lot. Like if you're in Europe, you have to be buying products that are worth from 500 euros since you're buying from the company. And by the time you start importing them to Europe, then you have to pay tax for them to release it. You can buy a product of 500 euro from China, and by the time the products get to your country, like get to Germany, yeah, you don't be surprised you even pay tax of 300 euro. That is just it, okay? So guys, you can use Mimi White AHA Serum to lighten up your skin, especially your face, your knees, your elbow, those parts, your neck. They are really great, okay? You can use Mimi White AHA Serum to lighten up those parts, or you pour them inside your body lotion. If you have 3, 4, 5 of these and you have 500 ml, you pour them inside and you start using your serum, your cream on your skin, and you have this lightening effect. You know, one thing is lightening your skin, the other thing is targeting pigmentation also. You may have lightening skin and you just be having some on your skin that is not clear, like having spots all over your skin. And for a fair person to have spot on the skin is really, really ugly. So I always try to prevent spots. I always try, like, God, if I see one pimples on my face, I'm not even bothered about the pimples. What I'm bothered of is, God, I know these pimples will go. Of course, I know it will go. But now that spot, you have it there. Pimples can go like a twinkle of an eye, but you see spot, it's really difficult to clear out spots. It is really, really difficult, because you don't just apply spot treatment on your face and you sleep, the next morning your spot is gone. No, you have to fight before you can actually get rid of that spot. And don't be surprised, you just be waking up one morning, wake up every day, you start noticing that the spot is fading. Before you know, you will not even see the sign of the spot again, guys. So that is it. I hope you find this video very helpful, and if you want to buy AHA Serum, I do sell them, okay? I sell the thick one, this one I sell it, and this one also I sell it. So you don't get it twisted, this is also original, okay? Just that it is not as thick as this one. So the one that is fake is the one that is pure water. It's just water inside. If you open it and you just see that it's water. So guys, please leave your comments below the comment section, and I'm going to answer all your questions. And then guys, I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.